If you've completed OSHA 10 or 30 construction and you're wondering what's next, this video shows the clear path forward. The OSHA 510 provides the necessary credential to become an authorized OSHA construction trainer, and this masterclass will give you everything you need to know to get there. This course serves as a professional upgrade for your career. This video is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for official OSHA training or legal advice. To secure that advancement, you must move beyond basic safety rules and master the actual 29 CFR 1926 federal regulations. These are the specific legal codes that govern every high-stakes job site in the country. Without a deep command of these federal codes, a safety professional is trapped in a reactive loop. True authority comes from the ability to engineer hazards out of the project during the planning phase, rather than just pointing them out once work has begun. While the 510 course is open to anyone wanting to learn the standards, there is a specific experience requirement for those pursuing the trainer pathway. You must possess 5 years of documented construction safety experience to qualify. This flowchart illustrates the 2 valid pathways to meeting that requirement. You either need 5 years of direct fieldwork, or you can waive 2 years of that time if you hold a college degree in occupational safety, a CSP, or a CIH certification. This background cannot be summarized on a standard resume. OSHA requires you to formally document and detail every safety-related responsibility on a specific prerequisite verification form. An OSHA Training Institute Education Center must evaluate and approve this exact form before you are permitted to enroll in the subsequent trainer course. This vetting process is rigorous, ensuring that those interpreting safety law have a foundation built on real-world site experience, rather than just classroom theory. This chart displays annual construction fatalities, showing why the 510 course focuses on the fatal 4 hazards. The highest column represents falls. We address this through a deep examination of Subpart M, the industry's most cited standard. The course demands high technical precision. Students learn to evaluate the 6-foot trigger height and calculate the structural integrity required for anchorage points to withstand the physics of a fall. Basic awareness courses teach you how to put on a harness. OSHA 510 teaches you how to calculate fall clearance and select the correct systems to prevent a worker from striking a lower level if they fall. Mastering Subpart M changes how you approach safety leadership. You move past treating compliance as a simple checklist and start managing it as a complex engineering problem. This regulatory depth extends into other high-risk areas, including Subpart L for scaffolding, the critical soil analysis required for Subpart P excavations, and the mechanics of safe crane assembly. You will be drilled on how to cross-reference these hazards with load calculations and official OSHA directives to solve complex, real-world job site scenarios. The culmination of the course is a comprehensive written exam. It is the ultimate test of whether you can navigate the regulatory framework under pressure. As the schematic shows, you cannot pass this exam through memorization alone. You must develop precise navigation skills to quickly find the exact subpart and index code that applies to a specific field hazard. Success on this exam proves to both employers and federal regulators that you can translate abstract legal codes into actionable protocols that save lives. Completing the 510 is a major achievement, but it starts a 7-year countdown clock to reach the top of the trainer pathway. The next step is the OSHA 500 course, the program that officially qualifies a regulatory expert as an authorized OSHA outreach trainer. To maintain this status, you must teach at least 1 outreach class every 4 years and complete update courses to stay current with any changes to the 29 CFR 1926 standards. The OSHA 510 functions as a strategic pipeline. It's the only legal mechanism to gain the power to certify the next generation of construction workers. Large general contractors and Fortune 500 firms expect this certification. For safety manager or project safety advisor roles, OSHA 510 is often a mandatory requirement. Certified safety professionals earn an average of $62,765 annually, typically $8,000 to $20,000 more than their uncertified peers. Leveraging the 510 to reach the 500-level trainer status moves your compensation into the 6-figure range, with many safety managers earning between $90,000 and $135,000. The OSHA 510 marks your entry into a new level of authority and opportunity in construction safety. Start your journey today. If you want to learn more about workplace safety, OSHA standards, and trainer pathways, subscribe to the HSE Study YouTube channel.